Hattie back from Hattie's baking show. Yesterday my nanny sent me a recipe on how to make lemon drizzle cake. So today we're making lemon drizzle cake. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees and then lightly grease a loaf tin, an extra small loaf tin. Pour your softened butter into your sugar until it's all dissolved. Crack and slowly beat your eggs into a jug. Gradually add your beaten eggs into your mixture. Add the final drop and then give it one last mix. Next, grate the zest of 1 lemon. And be careful not to chop your fingers off, as my mum always says. This smells so lemony and it smells delicious. As you know, this is called lemon zest, and what we're doing with the lemon zest today is we're putting it in with the mixture. When you've put all your lemon zest in, you can mix it all up. Get your teaspoon of baking powder and put it in with your flour. Mix it all together after. Last step is to fold in your flour. Once you've mixed this in, you pour it into your loaf tin. Your thing, you're going to love this, and while it's baking you might want to suck a lemon, as I always do. While your cake's baking, get your lemon from earlier, cut it in half and squeeze it into 100 grams of granulated sugar. This is going everywhere. I love lemons so much. I love to eat them. I don't like them when they squirt in your eyes though. I need a little bit more lemon because the sugar's not gone in. 2, all of it squirted in my eyes. That's why my eyes are really red. Keep squeezing your lemon in until it's a sauce that you can drizzle over your cake. This looks delicious. And tastes delicious too. I hope your lemon drizzle comes out like mine. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Hattie's Baking Show. Don't forget to subscribe.